Alright guys, so before we start on the new exhaust for the 2022 BRZ, something unfortunate kind of happened with the FRS yesterday. So yesterday I was having a little bit of fun in the rain with the FRS, doing some pulls in the rain, and I accidentally hit the rev limiter. Once I hit that, I actually got a check engine light, and the car started running really bad. I'll go ahead and start it for you guys. But yeah, it just runs so bad now. I got a check engine for a cylinder 3 misfire. But yeah, like I said, I was having a little bit of fun in the rain. And I don't know, I just wasn't paying attention. I just hit redline super fast, and the fuel cut off when you hit redline. Right away, the check engine light popped up, and it started like shaking, and it just sounds like the car's really misfiring. I actually cleared the code, reset the ECU, and it's still there. So my first instinct is to check the spark plugs, but honestly, you guys know with Subarus, it's so hard to change the spark plugs. It's like an all-day thing. So that's like the first thing I'm gonna try out. I really haven't diagnosed anything with this car because I just parked it. But yeah, I am gonna check the spark plugs. But if you guys ever had this type of situation, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll go ahead and start it to show you guys. Worst case scenario, I freaking blew my motor, but I guess small thing would be like a vacuum leak or spark plugs. The car's like shaking a lot. Oh, there it is. See, it's like a flashing check engine light. Yeah, I have one DCC. It says cylinder 3 misfire detected, and it's just like a constant flashing. I don't know why my ABS light is on now. What the heck? Car's on like limp mode right now. Like it has no power whatsoever when I drive it. It's like really weak. So I'm gonna check the spark plugs. If you guys have any idea on what's going on, did I blow my motor? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below. For all you guys that know a lot about this stuff, here are my numbers. But yeah, alright, that's enough about the FRS. Let's go and start working on the new BRZ. Alright guys, so this is gonna pretty much be a little sound comparison. Fully stock, obviously. This is what it sounds like on a cold start. Can't even hear it. Alright, so as you guys saw, it's super quiet stock as is. We got the huge mufflers that it comes with. But for today, we're going to be installing the MXP Comp RS catback on the BRZ. So I feel like the exhaust on this car with the stock headers is kind of just going to be like a little bit deep, not too loud honestly. Main thing I'm excited for is these unequal length headers, but we're going to throw this thing on first, get a little sound comparison, and see what it sounds like with the stock headers, and then later on we'll move on to those. Alright guys, so for this catback exhaust, I think I mentioned it already, but this is the MXP Comp RS with the titanium blue exhaust tips. This one's off of FT speed. This one goes for around 754. Got this one right here because it's actually in stock. Nowadays, I feel like it's so hard to come across car parts because a lot of stuff is like on back order and a lot of stuff is not really in stock. The cool thing about SubiSpeed and FC Speed is they actually have a filter so you can see all the car parts that are actually in stock on their website. I've been working a lot with FC Speed and SubiSpeed on this car as well as the previous WRX that we just had. Pretty much get all the parts from that website. So if you guys ever need some car parts for your BRZ, FRS, 86, WRX, or any Subi, be sure to hit up SubiSpeed. And I actually have a discount code to save you guys 10% off the majority of the parts on their website. So like I said, this one goes for around $750. With that discount code, that's probably like $75 to $100. So save you guys a little bit of money with that discount code. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and take off the stock exhaust on the BRZ and throw on the new MXP. They're actually massive. Those are fat tips, dude. The tips, once I took the plastic off, look how massive these are. Jeez. This exhaust is clean though.
It's actually clean. I like it.
Has the nice badges on the bottom. Damn, I don't even want to freaking run it. What do you guys think? You guys see the control arms, nice mufflers. But yeah, we are done with the install. My expectations with this exhaust is it's not gonna be that loud until we throw the headers on, but we'll go and see what it sounds like right now. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it too quiet for you guys, or would you guys run this setup like this? With me, I'm so used to the FRS and that being like fully straight piped and all that, so I feel like this is really quiet compared to that. But like I said, we have more for this exhaust coming. We got the headers right here, as well as a catless front pipe, so that should definitely open this exhaust setup. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off with the jack sensor now. Probably get a little bit of flybys and exhaust clips of this setup right here before we throw on the headers. Alright guys, put you down on a little tripod. We're gonna get some flybys and see what the car sounds like actually driven from the outside. What do you think? It sounded so quiet from the outside. I don't know, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. This exhaust, I feel like it definitely is like for someone who doesn't want the car loud whatsoever, but just wants something that's like a little upgrade from stock, like just like a little bit deeper than stock, or like someone that wants like a deep sounding exhaust that's not raspy at all, not loud. But yeah, I'm curious to see what you guys think down in the comment section below. I feel like a lot of you guys prefer like, you know, loud, straight pipe, this and that. For me, like I said, it's not for me. It's too quiet for me. Literally, once we take this car home, we're gonna be ripping the stock headers off, the stock front pipe, and we're gonna be throwing on the Tomei headers and a catless front pipe. So that should be super loud.
Oh, shit. Are you recording? You had a little bit of anal leakage when you were revving it. All the water was coming out.
So if you guys ever need some car parts for your oh my gosh, bro. I'm all pointing at the BRZ WX.
Let me see this shit.
Those are huge.
What the fuck? You heard me? That was wild, bro.
Those two alone should definitely open. Oh my gosh, bro. So that should definitely open this exhaust setup. So that should definitely. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, this is what I do all the time.